If you are wondering if you have to purchase the original power adapter for Google Pixel 10a, then the answer is no, not really. You can use a non-Google power adapter without any issues. So in my case, I have some example power adapters that you can use instead. I mean, you don't really need to, of course, get these specifically, but I can use this Xiaomi 33 watts power adapter and it works just fine. I also have Realme 120 watts power adapter, which also works just fine. It can be used to charge Google Pixel 10a. There is no issue with that whatsoever. And of course, like 120 is slightly an overkill because the maximum amount of watts that we can get while charging this phone is 30. So if you have like 33, for example, maybe 40, 45, etc. But more than 30 or exactly 30 watts, then most likely it's going to be fine. And this is probably the fastest charging speed that you can get with these chargers. And the one thing that you need to consider is the PD 3.0. If the power adapter uses PD 3.0, then it's going to be perfect. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.